Hello children, I am Sumati madam going to teach social study for standard 5 students. So children, take out the book, page 39, lesson 6, Greenland, the land of ice and snow. Now all of you see the map. It is given in your book. Here is written, mention Greenland, the area of Greenland, and the northern part of Greenland is very close to North Pole. It is an island, not a continent. It is self-governing province of Denmark, and its capital Nuuk. Earlier it was called Gotthard. The name Greenland given by a European explorer named Erik the Red, who gave the name Greenland to this island. In this lesson, we'll discuss about its climate, vegetation, wildlife, its people, and its agriculture and industry. Climate, you see, Arctic Circle passes through the southern part of Greenland, and most of the Greenland lies in the frigid zone because it is very close to North Pole. So, the climate of this region is very cold, means very cold climate, very cold, and also the region is known as tundra region. 80% of this area, means Greenland, is covered with ice or snow. Come to the next page. See the picture. Most of Greenland is covered with ice and snow. You see, everywhere there is ice. Only southwestern coast of Greenland is the warmest part of the country where people can live. Southwestern coast where people can live. Otherwise, the other parts are covered with snow all over the year. Most important thing we'll discuss, that is iceberg. What is iceberg? Iceberg is a huge pieces of ice which is float in the sea, and they pose great danger to ship in the sea. See the picture of iceberg. It seems small, actually it is larger than they seem, because most part of the iceberg remain under water. Now we'll discuss about vegetation and wildlife. Already I have told you the climate is extreme climate or very cold climate. So no forest, no crops, no trees or plants can be grown there. Very few plants that you can see in the summer season. And the wildlife or the animal, birds and fishes which can withstand the extreme cold are found in Greenland. Among them, polar bear, reindeer, musk ox, wolf, Arctic fox, seal. Several varieties of fishes and sea birds are also found here. Here is given that Reindeer, the picture of reindeer, picture of polar bear, other animals picture are not given. So these are the animals, birds and fishes are seen in this region, because these animals can withstand the extreme cold of this region. Now we'll discuss about the people. Inuit or the Eskimos. You might have heard this word Eskimos. Eskimos means eater of raw meat. So, as Inuit or Eskimos were the original inhabitants of Greenland. They are mainly hunters, means they live by fishing and hunting animals found in this region. They use the skin and fur of these animals which they hunt. They used its fat as fuel. Now we'll see today how the Eskimos live and earlier how they were living. The difference between the today's Eskimos and the earlier Eskimos. Earlier, the Eskimos or the Inuit, they use bows, harpoons to hunt. But now they use guns for hunting animals. Before, the Inuits were nomadic. Nomadic means those who move from one place to another. They do not settle in one place. While roaming from one place to another, they live in a house. In winter season, that house is called igloos, which is made of blocks of ice in winter season. And igloos means the house whether made of ice or wood or bricks. In summer, they moved into leather tents. So you might have heard the word igloos, Eskimos igloos. But now the Eskimos lead a settled life. They live in small villages or towns or the sea coast. Thirdly, the Eskimos used sledges pulled by dog for transport. They also used boats, which is called kayaks, for fishing in the sea. But nowadays, they have fast motorized sleighs for transport, not pulled by dog, and also use motor boat for fishing. So this is the differences which I am telling you. Today, the Inuits wear clothes made of animal skin and fur. Men, women and children wear jackets with hoods lined with fur called parkas. See the picture of parkas. Fur lined parkas. They also use long boots made of seal skin, keep their feet warm in the snow. Today, Greenland has a mixed population. Mixed population means Inuit and Europeans. Both they live in this region, means in Greenland. The population is about 56,000. Very less It means the less than the population of even a small town in India. And the entire population, they live in southwestern coast, because already I told you the southwestern coast is the warmest place where people can live, and they are the town with modern facilities such as electricity, permanent houses, schools and hospitals. So these modern facilities changed the life of Inuit. For traditional Inuits, how they were living, but nowadays or in the modern days, they lived in different way. All the facilities they have, they live in town and get all the facilities. Now see the city of Nuuk, the capital already I told, from the air. Now we'll discuss about the agriculture and industry. Remember, fish processing is the major industry in Greenland. Fish processing factory or industries. Sheep are raised in many numbers in the southwestern coast. A very small area in southwestern coast is suitable for agriculture. Very small area, not whole area, very small area which is suitable for agriculture, and the vegetable like potatoes are grown there. So I will discuss about the agriculture and industries. You all underline the lesson, read the lesson and the important lines you underline. Did you know? Put tick mark and read. I now know, write down, fill in the blanks. Here, words to remember, define the term. All of you know, define the terms. Already I discussed the word iceberg. It will come in exam. You write the full sentence. A very large piece of ice floating in the sea. So there are 4 words. There you remember the full sentence. And I now know, from there you take out some important words and underline and read the full sentence. Now we'll discuss exercises. All of you see. Fill in the blanks. The capital of Greenland is Nuuk, earlier called Gotthab. Number 2. The frigid zone in which most of Greenland is situated is also called the tundra region. Number 3. Huge pieces of ice floating in the sea are known as iceberg. Number 4. The original inhabitants of Greenland are Inuit, also called Eskimos. Question number 5. Days. Igloos are temporary houses made of blocks of ice by the Inuit. Now match the following. Number 1. Eric the Red. Answer C. Gave the name Greenland. Number 2. Holstenberg. Sisimiut. Number 3. Arctic Circle passes through Greenland. 4. Southwestern coast, warmest part of Greenland. 5. Kayaks. Answer boats. Now multiple choice. Most of Greenland lies, answer A, north of the Arctic Circle. Number 2. The main occupation of the people of Greenland is answer B. Fishing and hunting. C. 3. The clothes owned by people in Greenland are mostly made of skin and fur. Answer C. Skin and fur. 4. The original inhabitations of Greenland were. Answer B. Inuit. Now see the question answer. Question number 1. Question number 1. What kind of climate does Greenland have? Answer. Most of Greenland lies in the frigid zone in the northern hemisphere. So, this region has a very cold climate. 80% of Greenland is always covered with ice. The southwestern coast of Greenland is the warmest part of the country. Question number 2. What are icebergs? In what ways are they dangerous? Huge pieces of ice floating in the sea are called icebergs. Icebergs are dangerous because they are huge and float low in the water, which can cause danger to the ship. Question number 3. Describe the wildlife of Greenland. The climate of Greenland is very cold, so only those animals, fish and birds that can withstand the extreme cold are found in Greenland. Fishes. Animals like polar bear, reindeer, muskox, wolf, Arctic fox, seal, and several varieties of fishes and birds are found here. Question number 4. What is the main occupation of the Inuit? The main occupation of the Inuit is fishing and hunting. Question number 5. What kind of clothes do most people in Greenland wear? Most people in Greenland wear clothes made of animal skin and fur. Men, women and children wear jackets with hoods and long boots. Question number 6. How have modern facilities changed the lives of the Inuit? Most Inuit now lead a settled life. They have fast motorized sledges for transport and use motorboat for fishing. Almost the entire population lives on the southwestern coast. With the modern facilities such as electricity, permanent houses, schools, and hospitals. In this way, the modern facilities have changed the lives of the Inuit. So children, I have discussed all the question answer. 6 question and answer. You will write both question and answer in the copy and read the lesson thoroughly. Underline some important lines. And did you know? And all of you see the map and study the map. So the lesson 6, Greenland, the land of ice and snow, it is completed. So hope you all understood, and write the question answer and learn it. Thank you children.